my dear subscribers.
A day ago, I posted a video about an 8 kilogram and a 5 kilogram washing machine.
And the next washing machine will also be drying, but only for 8 kilograms and 6 kilograms.
The download is the same as the front-end one.
The first program is cotton.
I told you in the last video about the temperature of cotton. There can be cold water of 20, 30 minus, 40 minus, 60, and 90.
The next program is synthetics.
This program also has washing options. The temperature on synthetics ranges from cold to 60.
Next program is hygiene, but I'll skip it as I told you in the last video.
In the new model, she renamed the bed linen into duvet instead.
Duvet cover program, and she can take it out.
Is a program that can take out woolen things, but I'll tell you about it later.
The spin is the same program that can be pressed. Well, look, the spin is there for 4 minutes. It presses here.
And it's 4 minutes because it's at 800 revolutions, but the maximum says that there are 1400 revolutions per minute.
Drying is a program that can be dried according to the standard. It can be ironed, or it can be done at a time when electricity is cheaper.
Fabrics is a program that I told you about in the last video, but this, I'll skip it.
Children's clothing is a program that she washes not at 1:30, but at 1:22.
Daily is a program that can be washed by daily washing.
Program and Fast 115 is a program that can be washed at 40 degrees and turns 1,400. Drying can also be added.
Washing plus drying in 59 minutes is a 2 in -1 program that can wash and dry.
Roof treatment is a program that kills bacteria, so if necessary, when you press start, it turns on the ultraviolet backlight.
The drum can only be cleaned after 40 washes to remove the scale. Add citric acid to kill the scale.
The AeroFresh button is a button that can bleach the laundry.
Let's determine the location more precisely by the powder receiver.
A blue cell for pre-washing, a white cell for basic washing, and a flower is a rinse aid.
The spot button is a button that can be selected from 1 to 6 spots.
Of the 6 spots, it can be grass, cosmetics, blood, earth, wine, sweat.
The delayed start button is a button that can be selected for up to 24 hours.
Drying button allows you to select the drying as standard for the iron, and it is possible in terms of time in general. Is it possible for 30 minus 60 and 90 minutes?
Temperature button, the temperature can be selected from cold water to 90.
Rinse button plus, you can choose to rinse up to 3 rinses.
Spin button can be selected to spin up to 0 to 1400 revolutions per minute.
It was a video about a washing machine, a hair dryer, but this is just where everything is for everyone, for now and until tomorrow.